Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is HP Officejet Pro 9014E. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's all location family printer. It's for businesses, for family. Going to give you an overview of this printer, and then for us to load the ink cartridges. This printer is very nice. It's what I use at home. From the back here is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging. Just above the power cable you have the USB cable spot and also broadband line. Okay, so the broadband line goes in here, or telephone line. Just next to it is a USB cable. This is what it looks like. It goes in here, and this flat end goes to the back of your PC. Then you download the software to connect this printer. But unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this at Vinyl Tech Store, free delivery here. And this printer got ADF, automatic document feeder. The essence of it is you scan multiple pages of document in one go. Likewise, copied multiple pages of document in one go. This printer, you never run out of inks. Okay, you save up to 70% on ink, but you need to register. You have 9 months ink trial included with this gear, but you need to register at hpinstantink.com. I'm afraid the site is not free of charge. Okay, service charge is included, but if you don't like this, you cancel it. Myself, I use pay as you go, but it's there for you to know that this printer got HP Plus, which give you up to 3 years warranty, 1 year extra warranty with HP, and also 9 months ink trial. Okay, right now here is the scanner, flatbed scanner for this printer. Stick your document ID card you want to copy or scan on top of the scanner, and select the function from LCD screen here. It will do the job. You switch this printer on and off from right here. You can see a blue light. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network, likewise USB cable connection. Right now this blue light signifies that this printer needs to be connected to Wi-Fi network. Once it's connected to the Wi-Fi network, it will be a steady blue light. Okay, at the moment it's not connected to Wi-Fi network. This is the reason why it's flashing intermittently. We have the paper tray holder. The button casket is for you to load the particular paper you want. Okay, so you can load various sizes of paper: A4 paper, 8.5 paper, 8.5, 8.14 inches, 8.11 inches, 4x6 liter, various size. So you just need to adjust this. Okay, so you can press this holder here for you to adjust it. Press this lever to adjust it to the particular length you want. Okay, likewise you can also adjust it, so you can load photo paper and make sure you adjust it. Okay, so this is the essence of it. Now you just go back in. Likewise, if you want to open up this, you just need to press this together. Okay, for you to, there's a button here, you just need to press it down, this lever, press it down for you to be able to put the cover back. Okay, so right now it's in. Now to install the ink cartridges, this printer is using ink cartridges 963 black and color, which is yellow, red and blue. Okay, this is the ink cartridges. Now for us to load the ink cartridge, we just need to open up this section and lift up. If you have any paper jam, this is where to check. Open this, the back here, and remove the cover to check for any paper jam and debris. You can also, once you check here, if nothing is there, make sure you close it. Okay, and just close it and close the printer and lift it up this way. Once you lift it up, open up this section. Okay, make sure you remove the paper and also check for any paper jam and debris. This is also a way to check. Now once you're done, gently close it down. Now what we need to do is to load the ink cartridges, and to do that we just need to open up this section, lift this up. Okay, the next thing we need to do is take particular one you want to, so you can start from, you can see M yellow and K is for black. So the first thing we need to do is we go with C, which is the blue color. Okay, cyan. Now the next thing we need to do is we just go in. Okay, so I just need to go in. Okay, and it's in, just need to push it inside. Okay, and remove it. So to go in, just need to go in. Now the next color is M. Okay, Magneta for red color. Okay, then the next thing we need to do go inside. Okay, push it inside. Okay, it's inside. Now the next color is yellow. Okay, here is yellow color. Then go inside with yellow color. Okay, so just need to go inside with yellow color. Yellow is in. Now the last but not the least is black. Okay, 963 black. Now we need to go inside. Okay, here we go. Push it inside, and once you're done, you just need to make sure, just check, make sure it's not falling off. None of them is falling off. Okay, and this is how to install the ink 963. You can see everything is inside right now and intact. And now we need to close this printer. Once you close it, give it time and for this to be recognized. And okay, and just need to go back and front and close it. Okay, now click OK. Right now it's checking the printer. It's what it's doing right now. So if everything goes well, it will tell us that the ink is installed. So right now it's asking us, checking the printer, please wait. Okay, so you can see it recognizes that the ink is loaded. Okay, right now is, so it's making sure that it recognizes the ink. So right now it's opening up all the ink. Here we go. It's walking through the inks, and right now it's ready. Okay, so I'm going to show you on my next video how to load the paper tray, and also for us to complete the alignment head. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much. This is how to load the ink cartridges for this printer. It's using 961. Thank you and stay blessed. Thank you.